Today's video is Reece sets fire alarm on Amelia's room / made her scared / grounded / punishment. And this video was requested by and video idea by Sunlight.
I am going to set a fire alarm in Amelia's room.
How dare you set fire alarm on Amelia's room by making her scared? That's it. You are grounded for a whole week. As for your punishments, your laptop and SMG4 Plus eyes are gone because I destroyed your laptop and burned your SMG4 Plus eyes. And Lego Luma will slap you 10 times. Now go to your room right now.
Fine, whatever you say.